Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deposit Ton on Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. Now, in order to deposit Ton, you need to buy Ton coins. So here you can see the buy and sell option. Tap on it. Make sure that you are in the buy tab. Here you will find buy Ton section. There are different service providers through which you can buy Ton coins. So you can select your preferred method. For now, I'll select MoonPay. Tap on it. Tap on open MoonPay. Now over here you can enter the amount of money that you want to spend to buy Ton. You can even select your preferred currency. Right now US dollar is selected. If you tap on it, you'll find a list of available currencies that you can select from. So choose your preferred currency. And right below that, you'll see the amount of Ton you'll receive from the money you are spending. So this amount of Ton coins will be deposited on your Tonkeeper wallet account. Once you finalize this, you can tap on this continue button. Now you will be prompted to enter your payment card details. You can enter your card number, your card expiry date, and your CVC number. And you can tap on continue to proceed further. Once everything is verified, you will be able to buy Ton coins and it will be deposited into your Tonkeeper wallet. So that's it. That's how you can deposit Ton on Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.